Hello and welcome to Alchemy Hair Extensions, and today we're going to talk about micro ring extensions. So I'm going to take a few common questions so you get a little more idea regarding micro ring extensions. Do the rings show? Usually the rings don't show at all, because what we do is we leave the hairline on the sides and the back. So usually even when you tie it, the rings don't show. However, after 2-3 months when the hair grows out, the rings start showing a bit, and that's when it's time to change. So you got to remove the micro ring extensions, refix the ring, and then fix it back to your hair. Are micro ring extensions safe? They are very safe. In fact, there is no glue involved. So obviously the removal is very easy. You can just clamp the ring in the opposite direction and it comes off smoothly. So there's absolutely no issue when you're removing them as well. How much do these micro ring hair extensions cost? So just to give you an approximate idea, of course it depends on the length and the volume. But each strand, just to give you an idea, could be anything from 220 to maybe 350 a strand, depending on the quality and the length. And let's say if you want to add around 100 strands, it may cost you anything from 22,000 to 35,000, depending on the length and the volume you want to achieve. Another very common question, is it reusable? Of course it is. So what we do is, in reusable, once the extensions come off, like the rings are loose, now it's come down, and we clamp it on the opposite direction, and that's how smoothly the extensions come off. Now what we need to do is, we either convert these into keratin bond extensions, because in the micro ring there is also some amount of keratin bond, so you can convert these into keratin bond extensions, or you can also continue wearing the micro ring extensions. We will add a ring and again clamp it and fix it into your hair again. How many times you can reuse it? It totally depends, but ideally, let's say minimum 2 times and maximum 4 times is what you can reuse them. However, that every time you reuse them, the density will keep reducing. So after a point, maybe you would want to add new extensions. How long do they last? So once you fix them, they usually last from anything from 2.5 to 3.5 months. Totally depends on how well do you take care. But just to give you an approximate idea, it would be around 3 months. Are there different colors available? Of course, what we do is we usually only use the double drawn Remy hair, which is the highest quality of hair. It's virgin hair. So what we can do is, depending on your texture, your volume, your color, we can match it exactly to your color. So let's say if you have grown out highlights or a global color, we can exactly match the same shade, because we work on only virgin hair. Are there different textures available? Yes, of course, we usually have straight hair and wavy hair. In a lot of cases, what we suggest, if your hair is very wavy, we suggest you to do a keratin treatment or a cysteine treatment, basically a protein treatment, to reduce the waves, and then apply these extensions, because it blends better, it's easier to manage, and you can run your fingers through. It's much better if you do the keratin and the cysteine treatment. How safe are micro ring hair extensions? Well, micro ring are very safe. The ones that we give you, the micro ring has a silicone ring. So when you clamp it, it doesn't really damage your natural hair. So that's what we try to deliver. We usually add the silicone ring inside. If you're looking for any form of volume in the top area or the crown area, micro ring will not be the right option for you, honestly. Because we always suggest that you should leave the crown area and then apply on the sides and the back. If at all you're looking for volume on top area, the safest would be probably the toppers. You can watch another video on toppers. You'll get an idea if you're looking for volume for the top area. Can you apply micro ring extensions in the crown area? Well, you can, but we do not suggest, because usually the top area is pretty weak and we do not suggest any form of semi-permanent hair extension in the crown area, because it may cause hair fall, and also there's a possibility of the ring showing. So try and avoid the crown area. You can probably work on the sides and the back area. These are the safest areas. You would like to know how many pieces would you need. So let me answer this question. Usually if your hair is thin and you're not looking for volume, you probably would need approximately 50 strands. However, if you're looking for length and if your volume is not much, you probably would need around 80 strands. But if your natural hair from the roots are slightly thicker and you're also looking for length, then maybe you'll need around 100 and 120 strands. So what I suggest is please consult with one of our experts, and they will help you decide the number of strands you should fix in your scalp. Well, I believe that we've covered most of the questions related to micro-ring hair extensions, but if you still feel that you need to know more about micro-ring hair extensions, you can message or comment in the comment box below. This will give an idea that what kind of questions you have regarding micro-ring hair extensions, and we shall try to answer those, and we'll probably try to make a video as well so that it's easier for you to understand. Thank you very much, and subscribe to Alchemine Hair Extensions.